Hey guys, welcome to Ivanafacepaint. Hope you like it.
Alright guys, we're just gonna jump right into this video. So, as you can see, I just take the small brush to apply the light powder under my eyes and any dark places on my face to kind of help pack it in better. And then I simply take the big brush and apply it all over my face and neck. And to keep it simple, just so you all know, I basically use Maybelline for all of my powders for my face. Any regular makeup, not creepy makeup, but for regular makeup, I just use Maybelline. For this video, I just used two different shades, a darker powder for my cheeks and then a light one for my whole face to get me a lot paler than I actually am. For this costume, I'm doing my own version of the black Spider-Man suit taking over Peter Parker's body. And obviously, I'm a woman, but I'm still gonna call it Spider-Man because Spider-Man's a lot cooler in my opinion, and I like his outfit a lot more, and that's what I base my costume off of, so here we are. Next, I just simply take Maybelline's liquid mousse and apply it in the same places that I applied the light powder with the small brush, so under my eyes and all dark places, and then down my neck as well. And then I blend it all with my little sponge.
Now we're just packing more of this light powder on over top of what I just did. Ooh. Don't stab yourself in the eye like I did. Okay, looking a little bit paler.
Next, I just take a darker brown powder and I apply it to my cheeks, my jawline, and up on my forehead, and a little bit down my neck. Then I simply just give my eyebrows a little quick brush and then I color them in. Next, I just add a little bit of light powder back to my face to start blending everything in. And then I take black Mehron paint and apply it to the same places I applied the dark powder. I basically use it the same way that I use powder. I just leave it dry and I just really rub my brush in it until I get it on there good, and eventually it gets onto your face. But I mean, I like the stuff pretty well and it's cheap, so whatever. And then I blend a little more with the light powder.
Got powder flying everywhere.
Okay, moving on to eyeshadow. I take my Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. Next, I start to apply the Chaser color under my eyebrow, and then I take Low Blow and apply it into the crease. Why do I say that weird? Yeah, Low Blow.
Literally making this up as I go.
I may be slightly lying about that because I did do this costume for Halloween last year, but I've changed up quite a bit of things this time around, so I am technically winging it now. Now, off of the 24K Nudes Maybelline palette, I take the darkest brown on there. I can't tell what the name is because I've used it so darn much. But yeah, I take the darkest color on there and I apply it over top of the crease area where I just applied the other crap.
I want my eyes to look a little bit sunken and tired because he's being taken over by weird alien Venom black Spider-Man suit stuff.
Now I just take a tiny brush and apply the eyeshadow around my eyes like eyeliner. And then I also take the other brush and apply the eyeshadow under my eyes so where it makes them look more like they're sunk in and tired, I guess.
So they're looking pretty sunken right now.
Now we're going to go ahead and start applying the liquid latex to kind of give your neck and face a little bit of that veiny look. It helps it pop out more if you use the latex. You don't have to, but I like to. It's just more of a pain in the ass to clean up later. And don't be discouraged if your veins don't go on perfectly right now. The latex is kind of tricky to get on good, but once we start applying the black paint, it'll start to come together and look really cool.
We're not gonna bring this side all the way up onto your face just to kind of mix it up a little bit and make it look a lot more interesting. Now that that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and basically prime my lips. I'm just putting some powder on them because they're going to end up being black. I think I want to go with black. I haven't decided yet. I'll let you know.
Alright guys, now we're getting to the good stuff. Just take your black paint and start to apply it to your neck and your face. Like I said before, we're at a point where we're just taking the black paint and filling in all the extra space.
I'm basically going over the latex that I already applied, but I'm also adding in a lot extra because I want to really fill it in and make it look like it's really taken over and just sinking into my skin and into my brain. I have to make some weird faces to get this stuff on.
I decided it wasn't dark enough, so I went back in and added some black eyeshadow. Just bear with me guys, it's gonna get there eventually. I also take the black eyeshadow and start to fill in my neck and other places on my face to really start to darken everything and fill in everything really good. And as you guys can see, I'm not really putting this stuff too far up into my hair or on my ears because I literally just washed my hair today and I just don't feel like doing it again. But if you all are going out for Halloween this year and you want to do this, definitely pull it all the way back into your hair as much as you want. And I actually decided to just go ahead and do black paint on my lips. And now I have gone back to applying black eyeshadow to my face again. Apparently I like to jump around a lot with this video, so yeah, just keep up. And please just ignore the weird lighting change that just happened all of a sudden. I have a window right there and the lighting changed outside, so eventually I'm gonna have another room that I film these videos in for you guys, but for now this is what I have to work with. So we're just taking our black paint and going back over some of the veins, trying to get things a little bit more defined, more realistic looking, and you know, just all the fun little detailed stuff.
Now I'm gonna take this light gray paint and just pat it over. Okay, and now to finish up my look, I'm just gonna go put my contacts in and then throw some mascara on. So yeah, here we are. If you want to see pictures of the full suit, it'll be on my modeling page and you can find a link below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know in the comments.